This is the Keni. This is the anti-theft tail light alarm. Picked this up on Amazon for $29. I have the link in the description if you're interested. This has the smart braking as well, so when you apply the brake, it gives it an extra light. And then also, when you're not using it, it powers off automatically to save battery. On the left side is where you can manually turn it on. Got the flash mode. Got another flash mode there. Then you got just the regular tail light. No flash. And you got the breathing mode right there. And if you want to turn it off, there you go. And then on the right side is where you charge it. USB. And if you want to take it off right here, just unscrew that. And this is the seat post mount right here. And here's the remote right here. You got lock, unlock. That's gonna arm right there. Once you hear that beep, there's the warning. Shake it again. Gonna disarm, just press unlock. And if you want to turn the light on from the remote right here, you can switch your modes. And then if you want to change your alarms, hold it down for 6 seconds. So you just hold that down for 6 seconds, and then you could change it from 3 different alarms. There's also a mount that comes with it that you could mount to the bottom of the seat right there. And they got the seatbelt post mount right here, which I'm using. And then for the remote, there's a little handlebar mount right here. So when you're riding, you want to turn on your light as you're riding, press that. And then when you actually stop riding, it'll just turn off after like a certain amount of time. And then if you're passing another biker or pedestrians, you could just give a little warning. The bell button right there, of course. There it is. That's the Keni anti-theft tail light. If you're interested in this product, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a good one.